Welcome back to the pack. Today we've got something a little different planned. After getting these stickers, I had some inspiration to make some Goodies Pack t-shirts. And I've painted clothes before, and it's a lot of fun. So I figured, why not do that, but Goodies Pack? And to kind of spice it up and make it my own, I'm also going to add some of these Keith Haring figurines because I really like his art. To make sure everything's nice and crisp, I'm going to use stencils. So step one is to get to the computer, pick out all the artwork that I want to use, and then send that to the printer, and then we'll cut it out.
So now that we have those printed out, we can take our X-Acto knife and start cutting out each individual stencil.
Okay, so we got our stencils done now. They're all cut out. Now it's time to start painting, so I'm going to switch my shirt really quick. Okay, so I should be good to start painting now. Let's get to it.
So here, I didn't know exactly what I wanted when I started, so I just kind of fiddled with the stencils, moved them around until I saw something that I liked, and then from there, I traced them out with a Sharpie. Okay, so our outlines are done now. Now we just need to put like a priming coat of white on top of everything, and then we can start painting. Okay, priming is all done. We're getting closer to the finish line. All we have left now is to add color and then do some fine details.
Okay, I think we're pretty much done with the shirt. All I need to do is set the acrylic paint onto the fabric. For that, you're just going to iron it for about 3 to 5 minutes. Make sure that you don't iron the acrylic paint directly. So have like a spare shirt on top of the paint and iron through it. That way the paint doesn't burn off. Let's try it on. Okay, that'll wrap it up for today's video. If you guys missed last week's sticker drop, I got some new colors. We got red, green, and yellow. Traffic light vibes. If you were interested in this video and you want to see more shirt painting or things outside of hiking, make sure to leave a like, maybe comment what you want to see, and subscribe to the channel. This is Goody signing out.